Hey, what's up, wonderful people? How you doing? Thank you for subscribing and loving our channel. We really love your being here. Don't forget to subscribe us if you didn't. So let's go towards today's video. Today we are heading to shooting range, and this is just for training. Nobody hurt during that. So let's go. Enjoy. I'll catch you back in a minute. We are going to rock. That's 10 pin. 10? Life-saving shots मारनी है मैंने. It's not life-threatening shots, you know.
Alright.
Under the bar. Under the bed. There we go, bro. On my right, on my left. It's easy, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I missed one. I don't know where I hit. Maybe here or somewhere else. But most of my aim was under the body.
Mia gonna make the last shots. Where, Mia? Go ahead.
Hold up. Bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it over the
There we go, Mia. Can I see? Where?
Whoa, what a day, man. I had a nice experience. Almost shot around 100 rounds at Free State Gun shooting range. Right now I'm looking at a double barrel Mossberg. Really nice gun, man. Love it. Just stop at Free State shooting range and highlight them. Very nice and clean. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us and hit the bell icon for future videos. See you again next time.